Hello guys, so welcome back to Python Basic series. We are in part 4 of the control flow statement. So in the previous video we talked about the if elif else statement, and for my explanation I think everyone understood how it goes about the if else or the if elif else statement. So okay, in Python or in programming, we always have the nested if statement. Basically, when you are defining the nested if, the nested if statement, you don't use the nested. Basically, what it means with the nested if is it's an if statement inside another if statement. For example, let's define a variable age, which you are going to request the user to enter his or her age. Enter your age. So what you're going to do with this, okay, convert this into an integer, because you're going to use it as an integer. So what you're going to do with the age value, when the user gives us enters the age, you're going to check if the age is above or below 18. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, you can pass keyword use, because in Python you can't leave an if statement like this. You see, it's an error. What is this that you are seeing here? So if you are not writing the body as of now, you can use the keyword pass. So it will start on that for yourself. Start on that body part on the block statement. So we are going to talk that later, but the pass always it's to avoid the error whenever you are not writing the block code inside the if statement at that particular time. So else you can print at age. So what you are going to do with age now, so that we can use the nested if. So what you are going to do is, if the age of the person is above or equal to 18, you're going to check that age. So you're going to have a, let's define it here. You're going to have a particulars. If someone is between 18, if someone is between 18 19, we are going, they are responsible to, if someone is 18 is equal to 18, can apply for id, for national identification card, id card. So if someone is above 21, it's 21 or above 21, that someone can apply for passport. When you enter your age, you can apply for your passport or you can apply for your ID. So according to age. So if you are below 21, you can't apply for the passport. So we are going to check that. So this is what we are going to do. If someone enters age and the age is above or equal to 18, so we are going to tell the user. So if age equals 18, we are going to print you are now eligible for ID card. Else if age equals 21, we are going to print age is greater than or equal to 21. We are going to print you are now eligible for passport application, like that. Else you can print you're now a grown up. Yeah, you can print it, else you're now a grown up. That means if a user enters 19, you would be told you are now a grown up. If a user enters 20, you are now a grown up. 21, you are now eligible for passport application. Definitely, this just to show you how you can use the nested if statement, or how you can use an if inside another if. So let's run the program. Python control. So enter your age 18, you're now eligible for a D card. Enter your age 19, you're now a grown up. Enter your age 21, you are now eligible for passport application. You can see. Enter your age 23, you're now eligible for passport application. So that's all it does. So whenever you're going to required to use the nested if statement, whenever you become now an intermediate or an advanced in this language, you see somewhere you're going to use this again. So and that's all for nested if statement in Python. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have enjoyed to this particular stage, I know you have been liking the series, so it won't hurt you to like the video, comment, maybe say about how the video is going or how the tutorial is going, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.